This has been the most pleasant day to ride. Has it not, Pam?
Absolutely. This is a wonderful day to ride.
Yeah. It's like 15 degrees colder than it was yesterday.
Oh, Bobby Mosier's weather forecast. Well,
Brad
won't be
James
listening
not.
Brad James will definitely be our next resort.
Right. It's cold. It's raining. My hat is wet. My leg is wet. My feet are cold. Pam can't even feel her toes. Montana's upset. Penny's in the woman way. We're coming and we're nearing the gate. We're still nearing the gate. We're not there yet.
Oh, Pam's gonna near the gate first.
Uh-oh, Pam's horse is coming in. Oh, look. Yep. Oh! Hi, oh! Silver! Away! Bounce, 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 bounce. Whoa!
Hold on.
Why you should not film while running your horse.
There we go. She's crazy.
I believe that trial softer has found us. Scared my horse. Let me maneuver around here and get my reins. Today was not a good day to die. No.
Bad day.
Bad day. Okay. Yeah.
Forward, young man.
Forward. Go west, young man.
Are we going west? I don't think we're going west. Why don't we just go back?
We could. Or we could just make our own compass. Have you got a magnet on you?
Sure.
A paper clip.
I'm an old man magnet.
I've heard. I'm a Mexican magnet. I hope I don't have any Mexican friends on Facebook. Sorry, Michelle. But you're Spanish, so no pun intended.
She's a Spanner, not a
Yeah,
not a Mexican.
big difference there. Well, MacGyver, have you come up with that compass yet?
Oh, I do have a stick.
Do you?
Yes, and voila, a lighter.
Good. Now we can witch water and start a campfire.
Oh, does it work?
Oh. Well, then we'll have to start a campfire with 2 sticks and a stone. Very quiet out here. The only noise is Pam and me.
This is a lot of noise.
It's cold and rainy. That's why the 4-wheelers must have got with Brad James this morning and knew the weather was going to rain.
Yeah, they don't know Bobby Mosier. Obviously, they didn't take the Bobby Mosier weather course.
That's right. Although he did feed us a hearty breakfast. Look, Pam, there's something to drink on the ground.
It's crushed and it's brown.
Could that possibly be Ambeer? You drink it first, and if you don't die, I'll take a sip. Of course, we've been out here for 5 days now.
And our makeup still looks damn good.
And it looks pretty.
Look at our makeup.
Yeah, lovely.
Wonderful.
It's amazing what 3-day makeup, how well it holds up.
Make sure you have L'Oreal.
That's right.
She's the girl.
She is
L'Oreal.
the girl. L'Oreal. 3 days worth of makeup. We've been riding for days.
Past 5.
That's 5.
We don't even know how many days it's been.
I think we've been to Oregon and back. Look, there's the Oregon Trail.
With a beer can on it.
With a beer can.
I wonder if it's open.
Let's see.
Beer can open.
Is it?
Here, look. Bastards. Oh, edit.
Edit. Beep. Onward. Look, there's a squirrel. Help
I
me
don't
get
see
my
it.
gun out of my pocket.
Yeah.
That'll be dinner tonight.
Kathy,
What?
I have no toes. Nope, they're not in
Because
there.
I got hungry and ate them. You'll grow more.
How did you know I was Lizard Woman? How did you know? Lizard Woman.
Wendell told me.
Beep. Who? Beep.
Look, over there.
What could it
Indian. 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 He hid behind that rock.
Yeah.
Hurry, quick, get my gun.
Sure.
We'll have Indian for supper. Uh-oh, was that politically correct? I think not. Would that be American Indian or Native American?
Should we be afraid?
I think we should. Oh, dear God.
I want the tape. I want to tape you.
We can't tape you, silly fool. The Indian's after us.
Oh, I'm riding away.
Go! Go! He's on your butt.
Oh,
Oh, God.